To use a LUT with your AI-generated video from Artlist AI, the workflow actually happens in two parts. First, you download the LUT, and second, you apply it in a professional editing software like DaVinci Resolve. Start by generating your video in Artlist AI using the AI video generator. Once you are satisfied with the result, preview it carefully to ensure the motion, framing, and overall output are correct. After that, download the final video file to your device. Next, you will need a LUT file. You can get LUT files from Shutterstock and other LUT offering sites. Once you have selected and downloaded your LUT pack from Shutterstock, make sure the file format is compatible with DaVinci Resolve, usually a .cube file. After that, open DaVinci Resolve or the templates in Artlist itself. Import your AI-generated video into the media pool and drag it into your timeline. Then go to the Color workspace, which is where color grading is done. Inside the Color tab, locate the LUT section in the left side panel or LUT browser. Right-click or open the LUT folder and import the LUT you downloaded from Shutterstock if it is not already available in the list. Once the LUT is imported, apply it to your clip by dragging it onto the node or selecting it from the LUT list. The color grading will instantly change based on the LUT style you selected. After applying the LUT, review your video carefully. You may need to adjust exposure, contrast, or saturation so the LUT blends properly with your AI-generated footage. This step is important because LUTs are designed to enhance visuals, not fully correct lighting issues. If the effect is too strong, you can reduce the intensity using the key output gain or blending controls in DaVinci Resolve. Finally, once you're satisfied with the look, export your video in your desired resolution and format. And that's how you use LUTs from Shutterstock with your Artlist AI-generated video using DaVinci Resolve. Generate your video in Artlist AI, download a LUT from Shutterstock, import it into DaVinci Resolve, apply it in the Color workspace, and refine the grading until you achieve a cinematic final result.